Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tips for your earbuds Lenovo ThinkPlus XT92. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go, it's pretty easy, so don't worry. After that, select new ear tip size. I'm going with this one, and then attach them. Here we go, and the right one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!